Welcome to AI for Absolute Beginners. Today, we're tackling the most fundamental question. How does artificial intelligence actually learn? Here's the secret right away. AI doesn't read textbooks or download knowledge. Instead, it stares at millions, sometimes billions, of examples. By the end of this video, you will understand the process of AI learning in simple, intuitive terms, no complex math required. The core concept behind almost all modern AI is pattern extraction through massive repetition and immediate feedback. Let's use a common example, your email spam filter. To learn what spam is, the AI doesn't get a list of rules. It gets access to millions of old emails, each one correctly labeled spam or not spam. The AI starts analyzing these emails, hunting for patterns. It notices that spam emails often contain words like free, winner, or use all caps. These are patterns or features that spam emails share. It repeats this process across the entire dataset, constantly refining its internal rules. The more data it processes, the better it gets at knowing exactly what combination of words or formatting screams spam. This learning process is highly structured and happens in a continuous loop called the training loop. First, the AI processes a new piece of data, like a brand new email, and makes a guess based on the patterns it learned. It might guess spam because it sees the word jackpot and 3 exclamation marks. Second, the AI checks its guess against the correct answer, which was already provided by a human. If the AI guessed spam but the correct label was not spam, that's an error. Finally, the AI slightly adjusts its internal patterns to minimize that error next time. It continuously repeats these 3 steps: guess, check, adjust, thousands of times until its mistakes are tiny. To really cement this idea, let's look at something more familiar, learning a new skill. Think about learning to ride a bike. You don't read a 50-page manual on balance and center of gravity. You get on the bike and you practice. Falling down is your check. It's immediate feedback that your guess about this balance point was wrong. You instinctively adjust your balance. And that adjustment is how you learn. The AI does the exact same thing, but with data patterns instead of body weight. Let's quickly recap the 3 essential components for AI to learn. First, you need data. You must feed the AI massive amounts of examples, like all those labeled spam emails. Second, you let it make a guess on new data, knowing it will make mistakes at first, just like trying to balance on the bike for the first time. And third, you provide feedback, allowing the AI to adjust its internal pattern recognition until the mistakes are minimized, making it highly accurate. Now it's your turn for some practice. Your challenge is to take what you learned here and explain how AI learns to a 10-year-old in just 3 sentences. Share your explanation in the comments. Next time, we'll dive deeper into the first step, data. Join us for video number 14, where we ask, what is a dataset? Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it.